Hello everyone. Thank you for being here today for this webinar on 10 metrics to help you to increase your variety launch successes. Okay, Romain, we can see. Yes, perfect. So to begin, I would like to thank you all for being here. And I would like to tell you that we will talk about KPIs, so key performance indicators. And so I will share my screen with you now in order to start this webinar. Perfect. So I would like first to tell some words about Dorian. So Dorian has 40 years of experience in developing tools for the seed industry, as we started the business in 1984. We have been the first company in the world to provide such type of tools. We have more than 30 employees split in 3 departments: development, consulting, and agronomy teams. 18 people are part of the tech team responsible for developing and maintaining the software solution, delivering new functionalities, and proposing innovative algorithms for analytics. We have 3 offices in France, Japan, and Argentina, with the aim to support our customers worldwide without any frontier or language barrier. We have now around 41 clients in the 5 continents, some of them being strong references globally. We work with small and big teams from 5 to 600 users, and we manage more than 400,000 trials per year. And finally, we manage more than 45 species, including vegetable species, field crops, trees, and flowers. So be sure that we can deal with your species that you manage in your company. Now, I would like to talk a bit more about the new solution Dorian released in October 2023, and that you may probably know, which is the solution Bloomeo. Bloomeo has been released specifically for product development teams in order to help you to improve your efficiency. The first functionality that Bloomeo brings is to leverage all the potential of your variety portfolio. The second one is to harmonize and standardize data collection to valorize any data point, thanks to our data collection tool available on iOS and Android in offline mode, giving you the possibility to gain a lot of time in the field. Another objective is to optimize your team planning and prioritize tasks, thanks to specific Gantt views and Kanban views, in order to have a good view on the allocation of tasks and operation to your team that you can be responsible for as a manager. Also, another objective, of course, is to qualify your development network and make it match with your market segment. So as you will see a bit later in this presentation, we have the possibility with Bloomeo to define market segments and combine it with product designs, which are the requirements of a given market target. Also, you can collaborate with your partners, which can be internal partners like people from other departments, but also external partners like distributors or agri partners that needs to have an access to a solution. And finally, you can, of course, manage your multi-environment trial and compare the varieties on different environments thanks to dynamic graphics, feed mapping, and many other statistical tools available directly from the Bloomeo solution. So you have now an overview of the Bloomeo solution. Let's go back now to the subject of today, which are the KPIs. So as an introduction, the key performance indicators, or KPIs, are important tools in the realm of business management, serving as quantifiable metrics that gauge the success and effectiveness of various processes and initiatives within an organization. By providing tangible measurements of performance against predefined objectives, KPIs offer invaluable insights into areas needing improvement and overall progress towards strategic goals. In the context of product development within the seed industry, KPIs are particularly crucial. They allow stakeholders to track the efficacy of research and development efforts, measure market penetration, and optimize operational processes. By leveraging KPIs tailored to the unique challenges and objectives of seed product development, organizations can enhance their competitivity, accelerate innovation, and drive sustainable growth. So, before we start, let's learn more on each other with a quick poll. So could you please share with me how many people work in PD at your company? Thank you a lot, and we will share the results with Romain in a few minutes. Thank you very much. So in the upcoming sections, we will explore 10 essential KPI, key performance indicators, designed specifically for product development within the seed industries. These KPIs cover a spectrum of areas from tracking research and development milestones to assessing market penetration strategies, providing invaluable insights for product development department. So for the presentation, we have categorized them into 3 distinct groups. First group is about the KPIs for evaluating the alignment of a variety with its target market. The second one are the KPIs for gauging operational efficiency. And the third one are KPIs for measuring the time saved in your operation and tasks. So let's explore together these 10 crucial KPIs during this webinar. So I would like first to start with the KPIs for market alignment. The first KPI I would like to present is the Net Promoter Score. This is a famous index to measure the satisfaction of customers. You can apply it to direct customers represented by distributors, sales agents, and agri partners who will test the varieties in development. Often based on simple comments and notes, the Net Promoter Score measures satisfaction. And the first understanding of market acceptance and adoption based on customer feedback provides insight of the variety's acceptance and popularity among growers. Also, settle a Net Promoter Score means being able to report comments and propose a solution to enhance the textual comments. It implies a structured strategy of comment capture and intuitive tool to classify, concatenate, and report these comments. More and more, it also implies the use of machine learning in order to translate a subjective point of view into valuable insights and usable results. That's why the use of a solution like Bloomeo, which automatically considers comments and feedbacks from agri partners and transform it into valuable information, can considerably improve the measurement of these KPIs for your organization. The Net Promoter Score ensures your variety launches with a higher security in client satisfaction. The second KPI I would like to talk about is the commercial success rate of a variety. This indicator can be more difficult to measure at the PD activity scale because it depends on many factors that cannot be controlled and anticipated by the PD team only. In fact, it also requires information from sales, from production, and marketing teams in order to measure it precisely. The commercial success rate measures the return on investment, or ROI, of developing a launch variety by considering the cost of R&D, the cost of production, the cost of marketing, and the cost of sales associated to the variety. And on the other side, the commercial benefits generated by the variety. Calculating the ROI of a launch variety is crucial for determining its profitability and to choose to launch it after all the development phases. The third and last KPI on market alignment is the product market fit index. The product market fit index is defined as the process of identifying a viable market and developing a product that effectively meets its needs. Market demands can be segmented into specific categories named segments, each with distinct requirements. Characteristics of each segment, such as traits of interest, type of soil and climate, industry, and customer needs, must be aligned with the variety development objectives. This is called product market fit. Achieving full alignment between product design and market objectives is essential to ensure successful product launches and secure a product market fit. To measure this fit accurately, product managers must delineate precise targets for each segment. The Blumeo solution, as you can see below, allows to track the alignment of varieties under development with their product design in order to match with the requirements of the targeted market. Several traits such as yield performance, resistance to pests and diseases, and quality traits need to be considered and prioritized according to the market segment. Success in meeting market demands and customer preferences is determined by the product market fit. Evaluation of these traits occur across multiple locations within the geographical areas of each market segment. So that's all for the KPIs for market alignment. Before to continue, Romain, do we have any results from the poll?
Yes, you can see the results on the interactions tab on your screen.
Yeah.
And what I can see is there's only one person of the webinar who doesn't have a product development department, and a lot of you have less than 10.
Okay.
A few 10 to 50, and 2 of you have more than 50 people in the product development department.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. I imagine that if you participate to such type of a webinar, you have some needs in product development department efficiency and operation management. So yes, if you have many people in your product development department, of course, you need to track, you need to measure KPIs that can help you to improve the efficiency of your teams and processes. So makes sense, and I hope we can help you doing these tasks. Before to start the new chapter on KPIs for operational efficiency, I have another question for you. Which type of KPI do you find the most interesting for your business? So do you think these are KPI for market alignments that I presented now, or KPIs for operational efficiency that I will present, or KPIs for time saving? So I think that Romain will share a poll also with you, and we will have a look on it just after. Thank you very much. So the first KPI for operational efficiency is the rate of validated trials and data points, because product developers carefully analyze and validate trial results coming from field data collection. But sometimes it happens that external events lead to the rejection of a trial, such as a big climatic event or the destruction of a trial by unanticipated pests or animals. But a good organization should find all the options to mitigate that risk. Also, some specific values can be excluded from the analysis due to a wrong measurement or a mistake. These outliers need to be found by algorithm in order to increase the quality of the analysis. Indeed, validating a trial requires that its implementation has been well anticipated, such as monitoring of randomization, sufficient quantities of seeds, land available, inputs, machines, and so on. Then, the data on cultivar performances must also have been recorded well according to standardized operation and with common references. For example, if yield is a criterion of major impact, harvest needs to be well operated, of course. In conclusion, if the field operations have been correctly done and the data collected in good conditions, the trial should be validated. Also, Statistics can support decision on trial validation with different options, such topology of residuals, normality, homoscedasticity, and so on. Blumeo gives the possibility to measure this KPI and rapidly have an overview of discarded trials and the reason why. In this solution, you have also the possibility to use algorithms that can also be used to quickly identify outliers and exclude them from the analysis in order to have more reliability of the statistical tools. Another interesting KPI to measure for operational efficiency monitoring is the rate of data completion. Very simple KPI. PD activity aims to better characterize the variety which candidates to a marketing launch. After being registered, varieties are evaluated in more locations and many quantitative and qualitative traits are collected in order to measure the adaptability to a market segment and to agronomic areas. The more data is collected, the more performing is the information for the salespeople to market them. As setting up a trial represents quite an investment because you mobilize seeds, you mobilize logistics, and you mobilize human resources, it becomes crucial to track that all the possible data are collected. The product development manager must also get an overview of data completion rate over all the trials, crops, and market segments. Blumeo gives the opportunity to track either data completion per trial or per variety, making quickly accessible this KPI for the product development manager. In case of missing values for a given variety or trial, managers can take decision to tackle this issue and obtain valuable data to improve the reliability of the analysis. The team occupancy rate can also be seen as an interesting KPI to track. The success of a seed company heavily relies on its human resources, possessing specialized skills and cross-functional talents, which is crucial for the product development team efficiency. So, leveraging the development network to its fullest extent and characterizing the product portfolio under development requires field people to manage trials, handle cultivation tasks, but also gather observations. By optimizing these resources, companies can maximize return on investment from in-house trials, sampling sent to distributors, but also demonstration trials conducted by salespeople. Tracking the occupancy rate of the PD team allows for the adjustment of human resources needed for product development processes on a yearly basis. So, anticipating these needs, considering staffing levels and workloads, enable companies to proactively allocate resources to meet PD activity timelines and deadlines. This tracking must align with the unique aspects of PD work in the seed industries. I see 4 unique aspects that are long lead times, because product development often spans several years from breeding to commercialization, seasonal demands and fluctuation, with activity peaks during planting and harvesting seasons requiring responsiveness in terms of human resources, cross-functional collaboration, because collaboration across various fields, including farm management, agronomic observation, marketing, regulatory affairs, and supply chain management is essential. And finally, market dynamics, because market needs are dynamic as customer preferences, trends, and competitive pressures shift constantly, which requires responsiveness and adaptability. Overall, measuring the team's occupancy rate is the best way to anticipate human resource needs and ensure that skilled people are available to drive innovation and ensure variety launch successes. Last but not least, let's have a look now on the KPIs for time saving. So the first KPI for time saving I would like to present is the required time to correctly centralize data. Product development activities require to set up trials and capture observations of varieties performance in the field. Plant scoring is a time-consuming work, but it remains highly crucial to characterize the varieties and make decisions of advancement and marketing launch. Data centralization in a comprehensive database is important to structure this valuable information. An easy metric you can all track is the time from trial visit date to when results are ready to be complied in your PD decision-making system. Paper, Excel, specific or commercial application with tablets, many options exist to take observation directly from the source. But how long and how difficult to copy this information into the database? Our experience at Dorian shows that a lot of time can be saved in this process of data centralization with very low risk of losing information. As an example, Blumeo proposed a data collection app available on Android and iOS devices in offline mode for easy data recording and automatic synchronization with the central database. No duplicated data, no mistake, and a lot of time saved. But centralization is not only about data scoring, but also interoperability with third-party systems and IoTs. More and more, there is a need for making complex analytics, taking in consideration heterogeneous data such as environmental, phenotypic, and genomic data. The heterogeneity of the sources and data structures make it difficult to centralize on the same system, and it can be time-consuming. So Blumeo can considerably help to improve this KPI by providing APIs, notably, to connect with other systems such as weather stations, IoT, LIMS, CRM, and many other ones. The second KPI on time saving is about the time needed to prepare advancement committees. As you know, in a PD department, advancement committees comprising various stakeholders are organized every year to assess varieties and make advancement decisions based on PD trial results. Following breeding's decision to register a variety, the product development team has the role to manage the portfolio to better characterize varieties for marketing. Science committees involve stakeholders from departments like supply chain, production, research, and marketing. PD managers prepare synthesized results and recommendations. Quick decision making, especially between harvesting and registration deadlines, which are very short, proves the importance of saving time in result synthesis. Measuring the time to produce reports and prepare results for decision committees allows for organizational optimization or new tool implementation. In this case, with Blumeo, PD team can improve this KPI by quickly making synthesis and reporting on a given variety portfolio directly from the software. No need to make manual analysis, data gathering, or report formatting. Everything is done automatically by Blumeo. I can even quote an historical partner who says, in just a couple clicks, we make multi-year reports with seed amounts, test results, and yield results. It used to take at least a couple of hours without the solution. I think it says everything, and we can go to the next KPI. So now, let's talk about the time consumed for variety brochures creation. Creating variety brochures for seed companies' marketing departments involves complex processes with several constraints. The time consumed for the creation of these brochures can also be seen as a KPI to be measured. We see 5 constraints that can considerably impact this KPI. The first constraint is the limited information along the PD process that can hinder comprehensive brochure creation, impacting effective highlighting of key features and benefits. The second one is the technical complexity to be understandable, because describing the technical characteristics and traits of seed varieties in a way that is understandable to growers and customers can be challenging. Balancing technical accuracy with accessibility is crucial, but can be difficult to achieve. So, in a highly competitive industry, Differentiating varieties while addressing customer needs is crucial, but also challenging. Limited customer feedback and market data make it difficult also to understand target audience needs, potentially resulting in brochures that are not adapted to the market segment or not enough. And finally, regional variations in variety performance require tailored brochures, adding complexity for companies with global reach. Blumeo allows to create easily and without any effort a complete variety brochure, including variety characteristics, variety performance on several environments, and comparison to reference variety. This brochure is available in PDF format and can be used in the offline company variety catalog. And finally, the KPI number 10 is about the rate of data correctly processed for decision-making. Capturing observation in the field or from a sales distributor feedback requires an information system to valorize it. This represents an investment that needs to be valorized as much as the investments done to capture all the data on varieties spread over the development network. Capturing data takes time and mobilizes resources. Thus, it is important to ensure that this data is correctly processed and considered in the decisional tools and workflows. For example, if only 60% of the data collected is valorized on dashboards or reports, it means that you collected 40% of the data for nothing, as it will not be used for decision making. Some digital tools like Blumeo can support the tracking of such KPI to ensure that managers make their decision based on all the data captured. This index becomes even more crucial if little data is captured and if the decisional tools include AI algorithm that requires always more and more data to enrich the results. So time has come for the conclusion. So in this webinar, we have seen 10 precious KPI to monitoring the efficiency of your PD department. Of course, if you want to know more about this subject, I invite you to have a look on the ebook Key Performance Indicators for Product Development in the Seed Industries, available on the Dorian website, written by my colleague Tristan Duminil, agronomy expert at Dorian. If you want the ebook, please say yes to the poll and we will send it to you by email. So Romain will give you a poll with the possibility to book the ebook. Each of these KPIs is based on processes which can be settled into Blumeo for product development. With tracking tools combined with business intelligence and reporting tools, all these KPIs can be settled and tracked within the software suite delivered by Dorian. Dorian Consultancy can support you in your own KPI strategy and assist you to set up your KPI metrics. So we warmly invite you to visit the website blumeo-software.com to have more information and book a demo with an expert to present you the solution and know more about your project. Thank you very much. And now I will let Romain present us the results of the second poll. Romain, do you have any results to share with me?
Yes, hello. And just before I tell the results, if you have any question, please ask it in the chat and we'll ask Clément just in a minute. And so I will share the results of the poll. And honestly, I'm glad everyone has stayed until the end of the webinar, because when I see the results of the poll, I see that 0 of you have voted for time saving. And most of you, as you are product developer, it's logical. You want to know KPIs that show that variety matches with market, and that's truly it's crystal clear on what you want.
That is super interesting. Yeah, super interesting, because from my point of view, it should have been more balanced. But what I see now is that matching a variety to a market is your very main focus. So it's a good information for us as we will continue to improve to provide you such tool and functionalities in order to help you matching your variety with your markets.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your questions as well. And if you have any further questions, we can still keep in touch and discuss. I will send the ebook to all of you who have asked the ebook, and you all will receive a little email by tomorrow or next Monday, with the video to replay this webinar.
Yes, thank you all. Thank you all for having assisted to this webinar. I hope it has been interesting for you. Don't forget that you have also the ebook available on Dorian.com, and we will be pleased to respond to your question regarding a potential project during a short presentation or a demonstration. So don't hesitate. Thank you all. Bye-bye.